everyone. Today I am going to tell you the story of how to catch a goddess. Once upon a time, there was a very smart woman named Rohini. Rohini was married to a very rich merchant and they lived contentedly together. But one day, all their richness went away as Rohini's husband suffered losses in his business. Now they were very poor, and one day Rohini found a necklace. Is this ornament the one of our Queen Kamala? She thought. Then she heard a loudspeaker saying, "The Queen Kamala has lost her necklace. The person who returns it will be rewarded." So Rohini had a plan. She gave the necklace back to Queen Kamala, and Queen Kamala said, "Thank you very much. This was my favorite ornament. What do you want in return?" Rohini opened her mouth and said, "Your Majesty, I would appreciate it if you tell everyone in the kingdom, including yourself, not to light any lamps on the night of Diwali. Only I must be allowed to do so." At this, Queen Kamala was surprised, but agreed. That Diwali night, all the lights and lamps were extinguished. Only Rohini's house and lamps blazing. Lakshmi came and gave wealth to all those who had lamps on their door. But now there were no lamps in sight. When Lakshmi spotted at Rohini's house, so Lakshmi said, "I am Lakshmi, Rohini. I have seen your lamps, and for your dedication I will come in and fill your merchant husband with wealth." But then Rohini stopped Lakshmi. Lakshmi was surprised. Who stops Lakshmi from entering their house? At this, Rohini simply said, "There is one condition. Once you enter, you must not exit." At this, Lakshmi smiled and said, "You are a very clever and brave woman, Rohini. I will indeed stay, and I will be honored to be with you." With that, Lakshmi entered the house and filled wealth within the house again. I hope you enjoyed this story. Thank you.